We're down here in southern Alabama, Ozark, on a military shooting range where range is hot. Nobody's allowed to go past the firing line. We radioed in, got the okay. So here I'm just going to give you an overview of the range. Here we are. The range kind of sits in a diagonal. Doesn't shoot straight down range. So across the way where you see that white truck and that car that just passed is the range officer's headquarters. And coming back around, you have to take the back stops over there and put them down range to put your targets on. And we're lucky, super lucky today because there's nobody else here. Mostly only this place is packed.
She may need a bag.
Bolts on the
So Sweet and Sassy's up to shoot now. She's shooting a cannon at 50 yards. There's my grandson right here, Eli. Okay, Eli, we're shooting for money today. So every hole in the paper makes money. There you go. Take your time. Yeah, take your time.